Hi guys, isn't it pretty?
In 600 feet, turn slight right.
That's just the sat nav telling me where I'm going. But it's just so pretty. I thought I'd share. Come for a little ramble with me. Okay, what time is it now? Well, lunchtime.
Turn slight right.
Yeah, thank you very much, bitch. Shut up. Right, so it's 20 to 1, lunchtime. I'm heading now into the city.
Here to turn right in 900 feet.
Into the city centre. And then I've got a break until this evening. So I'm hoping in the afternoon I'm going to go and buy a car. I'm going to the garage. The local one's got somebody in for me. I'm bringing in a Polo.
Take
Golf.
next right, then keep left on main road.
Right. Let's see where we're off to.
Keep left on main road.
Typical little British village, isn't it?
Take next right.
If I didn't have the sat nav, I tell you, I'd never get anywhere. Anyway, darlings, I better concentrate on the driving because I'm thinking that maybe safety ought to play a feature in this film. What, with Stark? No, why should it? Okay, darlings, try.